All right, everyone, listen up. This is one of those moments you're going to remember today. I'm going to break down something huge that just went down in the crypto world. The European Central Bank has officially confirmed they are making a move on the XRP Ledger. Not rumors, not speculation. We're talking real official action, and it's about to send shockwaves through this entire crypto market. And just when you thought the bull run was slowing down, nope. The green lights are flashing again, and things are heating up fast, but that's not all, because MasterCard just revealed a major partnership with Chainlink. And trust me, this is way bigger than most people realize. We're talking about legacy finance, handing the keys to the next generation of money. And if you're even thinking about sitting this one out, waiting for the next big thing, stop right now. The shift is already happening. I'll show you exactly what the ECB move with the XRP Ledger means, why this MasterCard Chainlink partnership is the game changer everyone is sleeping on, and how these two stories could rewrite the next chapter of this bull run. You don't want to miss what's coming next. So let's get into it, folks. If you are new to the channel, remember, this is the new channel you are listening to, the Bullwinkle Blueprint. Please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Let's help me grow this new channel after the shenanigans that YouTube pulled on the old channel. And if you may, just take 2 seconds at any time and hit that thumbs up, because that thumbs up is going to tell YouTube that this content is good content, and it is going to make it go out throughout the entire YouTube system. It goes into the algorithm, it pushes the information out so more people can hear what Rip is talking about. Now, with further ado, let's get into it, because the price this morning, hey, they're trying to make a little bit of a move up here. Bitcoin, $107,097. It's currently up 1.69% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum coming in at 2,426. It's currently up 0.58%. When we're seeing XRP holding down at number 4 spot, it's almost like this little dip correction didn't happen, because we are right back to where we were before, coming in at a mean lean $2.18. Total cryptocurrency market cap 3.25 trillion, as the fear and greed index is sitting at a 47. Now, here's what's interesting, and I wasn't going to get into this too much, but why not? Let's do it. All it would take on XRP, let me blow this up for those looking at the screen. All it would take on XRP is a 36% move for the fireworks to begin. You can see the 3 areas of resistance that we are fighting. The first one we are teetering on the edge is from 220 to about 235, give or take. After that, we're looking at 250 to 265, and then 283 to $3. Once those 3 regions break, it is go time. It is absolutely go time. We've been talking about these ranges. We've been talking about that $2 to $3 area on XRP for a very long time. I told you it was going to be a tough cookie to crack, and here we are. Still trying to fight it, still trying to get past it. Then we get this. Trump put out on Truth Social yesterday. Congrats to everyone. It has fully been agreed that the war between Israel and Iran will complete the ceasefire. There you go. The crazy part about all this is that Trump is telling you we're in a ceasefire, the war is over. You still have people on Twitter who are trying to tell you that the war isn't over. I just don't understand people. You know what I mean? It doesn't make sense. This is the green light. Look, we told you the markets were going to go down when the war started. Any kind of war anywhere in the world is going to take effect on the crypto markets, stock markets, the economy, you name it. And then the war came to an end, and we flipped right back, and look what happened to the prices. You got to pay attention. Things change very, very quickly, especially in crypto. Right now, positive vibes, everything's looking good. We are ready for Bitcoin to get out of this nasty $100,000 to $110,000 range and bust up to the upside. SWIFT, the backbone of global bank transfers, just paid to sponsor Chainlink SmartCon in New York City. Think about that for a second. Chainlink and SWIFT are partnered together. They're working together. Chainlink is throwing an event in New York City, and Swift is actually paying them to be part of this, right? That's huge. Let that sink in for a second. Swift is paying Chainlink to sponsor their event. This isn't a partnership announcement. This is real money we're talking about being on the table. And then we get this MasterCard's EVP Raj says this, and I quote, I found Chainlink to be an incredibly quick partner on this in terms of coming up with solutions. The velocity and numbers of apps that can get on the platform with exponential increase. Listen,
this is about how do we bring more people into the ecosystem. So we have billions of consumers, as you said. If the crypto folks are buying and selling to other crypto folks, then we're, yes, that is in a vibrant ecosystem and it's continuing to grow. How do we get more parties involved? How do we make it easier for people to interact and buy assets, sell assets on the chain? Right, that's when we grow the pie, if you will. And this really bridges that gap. While this is initially opening up few assets for people to buy, that framework that I think we've worked together, and I found Chainlink to be an incredibly quick partner on this in terms of coming up with solutions. This is extensible to other things, like you have this journey of real world assets getting tokenized and coming onto chain, and every one of those assets require a payment leg, and more payment legs are available in order to buy and
so let's stop it there. Think about this for a second. Imagine if Blockbuster didn't just talk about streaming, but started funding Netflix's biggest event. That's what we're seeing here. Swift, the post office for banks, is moving money globally. They just paid, yes, paid to sponsor a crypto conference run by Chainlink. In the world of business, there's a huge difference, folks, between showing up and paying up. When someone's willing to invest, it means that they see real value. Excuse me. Now let's get into the meat and potatoes. The European Central Bank, DL3S, is a XRP technology platform being tested by the EU. You heard that correctly. And it's developed by guess who? The Bank of France. The same Bank of France who told us years ago they were testing out XRP and the XRP Ledger. The European Central Bank, yeah, the big dogs, everyone, who basically run the euro, is now testing something called DL3S. It's not just another major buzzword. This is a brand new platform powered by XRP's technology. Let me put this in real world terms. Let's break this down so everyone actually understands what is going on here. Think about the last time your phone told you, hey, I have a software update available. Well, you kind of roll your eyes, but you know you need to do the update. Suddenly, your phone runs faster. Your apps, they work smoother. And hey, maybe even you get some of those features you never even know you needed. That is what the ECB is doing right now. Except instead of updating your phone, they're upgrading the financial operating system for an entire continent. But here's what gets even crazier here. This tech is being built by the Bank of France. Imagine France designing the engine, and now the European Central Bank is taking it for a spin, seeing how it handles the Autobahn of international payments. Right now, sending money across Europe is like mailing a postcard. First you write it, then you get stamps, you pay extra fees, and you cross your fingers that it arrives on time, which it never does. But with DL3S running on XRP tech, it's like firing off a WhatsApp message. Instant, seamless, and barely any fees. No more waiting 3 days for your payments to clear. No more jumping through hoop. It's the same as streaming a song. Click it, and it's there. But here's the kicker. This isn't some test in a back room. When the ECB moves, the rest of the world starts to pay attention. Remember how everyone laughed at Tap to Pay, and now you can't buy a coffee without it? If this works, we're going to see the floodgates open. Suddenly, every central bank on the planet wants a piece of the action. So the next time you hear someone say crypto is just for speculation, just remember, while we're all debating price charts and if Bitcoin moves up or if Bitcoin moves down from here, the European central bankers are quietly building with XRP technology. And if this test goes well, the way we move money forever, it's about to be changed. Stick around because this story, folks, it is just heating up. Plenty of more to come on this. The future of finance, guess what? You are watching it happen in real time. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and smash that like button to help me out in the YouTube algorithm so more people find out about this amazing content. I'm going to leave it like that. I will catch all of you on the next one.